Hi everyone, I'm Chanel and I'm back again with another journal that I have finished, and look at this one. OMG. Oh gosh, love it. Love the lace on it, love the image, and just think it's come out absolutely gorgeous. So again, I've done this one a little bit different. I don't have a eyelet closure on this. It's just some lace that I've tied around it, which will slide off, I hope. I'm just going to slide this off, and this is a full size journal, and that's the lace. It's just lovely. Love the lace on that. And here I've used wallpaper on the cover, and look, it's just all gold and shimmery and amazing. I hope I've got more of this left. I think I do, because I think it came out lovely. And I've just put some of this lovely cream lace on here, and I've put this gold braid all the way around the bottom, which I don't normally put things on the bottom of the journal, so I'm getting more adventurous with them. And then we have this beautiful image, and she's been Mod Podged and sewn onto this lovely sort of dusky pink lace. That's what it was. And then if we open this up, this kit is from the Old Design shop, and the ephemera is from all sorts of places. So if you go into the front page, we have this lovely book plate, and this is one of my designs, and these are on my Etsy shop. There's a set of 5 book plates, and they're just lovely. And then one of my book page tags, I should say, and it's just got an image from a book and some lace and some material there as a tab. And then we have some lace trim, and this is a French themed journal. I have a lovely fairy image from just an old book, and then some coffee dyed paper, one of my fabric pockets, and then just a little image there as a tuck spot. And then we have, that's a piece of ephemera from one of my scanned in vintage ephemera that I have. I have quite a collection. This, I'm not sure where I got this from. Might be the Old Design shop. I'm not quite sure on that one. I've just got those in the pocket. And then gorgeous, oops, I'm in shock there. Gorgeous pages here on this kit. Loving it. An old, is it in French? Oh, I'm not sure. Don't think it's in French actually, that one. It's just an invoice, an old invoice. Not sure what year it is, but just lovely. Then we have a corner flip book page corner, and then I think, I'm not sure, no, don't know where I've got these from. I have so many now that I forget, and I cut them all up, put them in a box, and forget where I've got them from. But if there's any that you're interested in, let me know and I'll tell you where I got it from. So we have this lovely ephemera going in that pocket, more lace trim down the edge here, some music paper, and it's just a flip out with some fabric there, and another flower, another page from a book, and it's a flower page with some lovely lace trim. And then more coffee dyed paper. We have a doily, some dictionary paper, and I think that is French. Yes, it is French. I have a French dictionary. And then I have a little pocket here, and this was just a piece of ephemera, and I just put a little bit of collaged a few bits on top of that just to go in the pocket there. And some fabric ruffle, more book pages. Then we have a little grid paper flip with an old photograph and an old calendar. There's the centre, and then that's the other side, and I've put one of my little fabric collage things as a tab flip there. Some more of the fabric there, and just some ephemera I think that one is Tracy Fox. This one I think is, excuse me, Tsunami Rose. See, some I remember, some I don't. And then this one is, oh, now I'm not sure. This may be Artie Mays, this one. And it is an envelope, but I've used it as a tuck spot. And it has got some ephemera in there. Excuse me, but it is actually fastened. So we're using that as a tuck spot for that piece of ephemera there. And then we have some more ephemera in the little glassine bag. Just a picture of the Eiffel Tower. Dictionary pages. More coffee dyed. Lots of journaling spots here. The other side of that flower book. The other side of the music paper. This is one of the flip out pockets with some ephemera in the pocket there. That one is one of my pieces of ephemera, and these I'm not sure. This is a Project Life card. Put those back there. Excuse me. I have a little tuck spot there for you to put something. The other side, the invoice. Then this is just a book page tuck spot that can be removed, and it has a little pocket there with some little bits of ephemera in, and I've put some lovely lace and gorgeous flower trim on there. And then I've put some fabric ruffle down the side there. And in the back, I'm using more of different, it's the wallpaper, but it's from the same pack that I had, because it's very glittery and gold and yummy. And I've put some lace on and some gold trim. And then in the pocket, I have one of my book page tags with lots of fabric, lace, and a flower image and some just fabric on it. I just did some collaging really on there and just sewn on there as well. And then on the back there's some coffee dyed paper, so that's a nice journey spot, and that's a really big pocket actually, so you could get quite a lot in there. And that is the back. So this is my French themed journal, and yes, I just love it. It's one that I've just recently finished. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. This will be up on my Etsy shop later on today. There you go, just in time for Christmas. Get your orders in. All right, my lovelies, hope you've enjoyed it. Take care for now, and see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.